John Tell, why you don't want me if I'm a crackhead? Some of y'all are crackheads and crack babies from this cocaine epidemic. So when you smoke that crack cocaine, you don't know who you are. How the hell am I a goddamn crackhead? When did cigarettes cost $56,000? The reason why I do not have sex with anyone and I masturbate is because my name is Jonathan Ricardo Boykins. I am a bird. You people are spiders and tarantulas. So that means that y'all was mixed with the demons and I was mixed with Jesus. So I'm a bird. Y'all are spiders. What parents want to rape their kids?